Straight from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it, many men have failed. Well, if you wanna get to heaven, you gotta raise a little hell. And I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down.
Right, so this lambda sensor here was on so tight that this socket, special socket here for undoing these, which has got a split riding down the middle, was actually opening up. Because of the amount of torque, it was actually opening up and skipping round and actually damaging the nut. So what we've done is put a Jubilee clip there, and we had a Jubilee clip right down the bottom as well, and then obviously a torque wrench. But it's loose now, so job done. So just a reminder of what we're fitting: the Black Widow Z1000sx. There's the code name. There was 100 available at the time. So there's a photo there of what it should look like, and they also give you the exploded view of the individual parts and all of the accessories that are supplied with the exhaust by Black Widow. Everything you need, as I showed you on the unboxing video: springs, gaskets, nuts, bolts, all of the clips, and there's an example of what it should look like fitted.
Bye.